Hi, my name is David Wolpert. I made the sweet sticky rice with the mangoes, and I'm doing something a little bit different. I made this bean mold, and I tried it before. I used some chili peppers in oil, and I wasn't too impressed by them. So I kind of washed the rest of it off. And I have enough left to make one. But I wanted to show you my take on it, which is take a little bit of the sweet rice, or the sticky rice, and put it in the bean mold. And I made it out of green, so it's a green bean. And then I'm adding some red bean paste, which is great as a filling for sticky rice, and put some down in the center so it's got a nice filling of red bean paste, a little more of the glutinous rice right on top, and there we have it, a bean filled with rice. Or rice bean filled with bean. Now I've got some mangoes and chili powder to put right on top, and then some of that delicious sauce with the coconut milk, and there we are, a bean, rice, mango, sticky rice, chili powder. Put a little bit of honey in there. Give it a little bit of a taste. Let's see how it is. Oh yeah, that's good.